Italy has some of the most beautiful towns on Earth, and most of them aren't the ones you'd expect. From hilltop villages that look like paintings to coastal towns carved into cliffs, these are the places that make you stop and ask, is this real? Here are 10 of the most beautiful towns in Italy and why each one deserves a place on your list. Number 10, Taormina. Taormina clings dramatically to Sicily's eastern coastline, perched on Mount Toro overlooking the azure Mediterranean. This ancient town blends Greek, Roman, Arab, and Norman influences throughout its architecture and culture. The star attraction remains the Greek-Roman theatre that offers a panorama that leaves you breathless, with views of Mount Etna, the sea, and surrounding landscape. Winding medieval streets lead to scenic terraces, while nearby crystal clear waters invite swimming and boating adventures throughout the year. Number 9, Civita di Bagnoregio. Perched atop a crumbling plateau in northern Lazio, Civita di Bagnoregio defies time and gravity as one of Italy's most extraordinary hidden gems. This isolated medieval settlement has escaped the modern age mostly because of topography, preserving its ancient character across centuries. The dramatic footbridge connecting it to the mainland emphasises its isolation and fragility. Inside, visitors discover pretty balconies with flowers, climbing plants, hidden gardens and restaurants amid stone lanes. The village itself constitutes the attraction rather than hosting specific sites. Number 8, Portofino. Portofino sits on Italy's Ligurian coast, a small fishing village transformed into a luxury destination. The Half Moon Harbour showcases a rainbow of tall, narrow buildings where fishing boats share space with million-dollar yachts. Winding paths lead from the harbour to Castello Brown, offering sweeping views of the Mediterranean. The surrounding nature park provides hiking trails through olive groves and pine forests. Despite its glamorous reputation, Portofino retains an authentic Italian feel in its seafood restaurants, local boutiques, and relaxed atmosphere. Number 7, Atrani. Atrani sits dramatically between Mount Civita and the Mediterranean Sea, just east of Amalfi on Italy's spectacular coastline. This authentic fishing village maintains its medieval character with narrow alleyways, arches, and courtyards cascading down to the shore. Visitors discover a jumble of colourful houses built vertically on the hillside, creating a striking visual against the blue waters. Recently gaining attention as a filming location for Netflix's Ripley, Atrani offers an intimate alternative to its more crowded neighbours while preserving authentic coastal Italian culture. Number 6, Camoli. Camoli is a charming and picturesque fishing village located on the Italian Riviera in the Liguria region of Italy. The town's historic centre is a must-visit attraction, with its narrow streets and colourful houses. The Basilica of Santa Maria Assunta is a beautiful church located in the heart of the town that dates back to the 12th century. The Dragone Castle is a medieval castle that offers stunning views of the town and the sea. The town is also home to the Maritime Museum of Camoli, which tells the story of the town's maritime history. Finally, Punta Chiappa is a scenic promontory that offers stunning views of the coastline. Number 5. Santa Margherita Ligure. Santa Margherita Ligure decorates the Italian Riviera with pastel-coloured buildings and elegant seaside promenades. This coastal gem offers a perfect blend of relaxation and activity, from lounging on beaches to hiking through Portofino Regional Park. The town's historic architecture includes the striking Chiesa di San Giacomo and imposing castle. Less crowded than neighbouring destinations, Santa Margherita Ligure maintains an authentic atmosphere with excellent seafood restaurants, boutique shopping, and access to crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. The town serves as an ideal base for exploring the Ligurian coast. Number 4. Alberobello. Alberobello appears like a fairy tale place in the heart of Puglia's Itria Valley. This unique town dazzles visitors with its iconic stone huts, featuring distinctive conical roofs made of stacked limestone. Walking through the hilly maze of streets, travellers discover a living museum where many residents still inhabit these ancient structures. The whitewashed walls and stone rooftops create an enchanting atmosphere unlike anywhere else in Italy. Beyond architecture, Alberobello offers authentic Puglian cuisine and warm southern Italian hospitality within its extraordinary landscape. Number 3. San Gimignano. San Gimignano rises dramatically from the Tuscan countryside, its skyline defined by 14 stone towers that have survived since medieval times. The town represents an exceptional example of breathtaking architecture and landscape, where history comes alive through cobbled streets and ancient buildings. Walking through this walled town feels like stepping back in time. Surrounding the historic centre are rolling hills covered with vineyards and olive groves, creating the quintessential Tuscan landscape. The town's remarkable preservation offers visitors an authentic glimpse into Italy's rich past. Number 2. Positano. Positano stands as a jewel on Italy's Amalfi Coast, with colourful houses cascading down the hillside toward the Mediterranean Sea. This vertical town features narrow streets lined with boutiques selling handmade sandals, linen clothing, and ceramic goods. The azure waters contrast dramatically with the dramatic cliffs. Visitors can explore hidden coves by boat, sample authentic Italian cuisine at local eateries, or simply relax on the pebble beaches beneath colourful umbrellas. The town's unique geography offers spectacular viewpoints at every turn. Number 1. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands, comprises 5 distinctive coastal villages along the Italian Riviera. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features centuries-old seaside communities where fishing boats rest on narrow streets and trattorias serve fresh seafood with local wines. The dramatic landscape showcases human ingenuity. Terraced hills cultivated despite the challenging terrain. Cars are largely absent, with villages connected by trains, boats, and footpaths that wind through lemon groves and vineyards, offering breathtaking Mediterranean vistas that have inspired artists for generations.